This is the sheer full support. It comes in sizes 32 through 50 and fits bands 26 through around 56. It's best for B cups and up, and it can fit all the way up to P or larger. A cups can fit in this cami with petals. You can see the beautiful neckline with the scalloped edge. Isn't that nice? And then this is why it's called the sheer full support, because of that pretty sheer detailing. This cami is a medium length, so it works well on balanced or short torsos. And this is the back of the sheer full support. You can see it has a real pretty V detailing in the center of the back with more sheer paneling. So pretty. And then some scalloped edges around the back of it. This is the inside front of the sheer full support. As you can see, there's no stitching under the cups. It has some nice release points here for breast health. Molded cups, so you don't have the uniboob. Of course, the V neckline that you saw earlier, and then that nice shaping panel that goes across the tummy to shape and slim that middle. And this is the back of the inside of the sheer full support. As you can see, it also has an angel wing panel that slims and smooths your back and sides. It also has that scalloped back, and you can see that sheer panel right there. And then, of course, the silicone surgical grade gripper that goes along the bottom of it to keep it from rolling and sliding up.